Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far. Great start of the week. It's only Tuesday. And welcome to this video on Rndr. I wanted to do a quick video on Rndr. I mean, I was looking at it yesterday, and I've been looking at it for some time. You can see that we got some bottom indicators coming up here for Rndr. So it looked interesting to me. And Rndr, of course, it's a great project. It has rallied a lot in the past. And rally, look, Rndr has dropped down quite a bit, but we've always seen in the past that when Rndr drops down and it consolidates, it can actually bounce back much higher. All right. So that's why I thought it was interesting. We also saw a little bit of open interest build up, I think, for Rndr over the course of yesterday. Yeah, you can see that right here. I mean, the open interest, it also went up in the last couple of hours. There actually is momentum here for Rndr. But I'm a little bit hesitant because what happened is that after finding a bottom, but what happened is that after finding a bottom here at 3.5, it rallied up, right? So it spiked up, it went up. But then it got into this web of resistances, basically all the way down from 4.15 to 3.9 is filled with different weird resistance levels. Like you have the strong ones. I think 4.17 is by far the strongest resistance level, and that's also the level I think that needs to break. But there's more. I mean, we broke above $4, which is obviously a psychological level, and there's some technical supporting it. So it's giving off mixed signals in this level, and that's also what we're seeing from the momentum. Momentum was very high when we got into that level, and then it kind of went up and down when we were in the level itself. So what now matters is if Rndr, first of all, if Bitcoin stays relatively bullish, that would be nice. And apart from that, we just need to see Rndr break out. All right, we need to see Rndr break out above this level right here at 4.17. We'll probably find some resistance at 4.4, but then we'll take a bullish break retest and rally back up to the tops right here at 4.8, 4.9, and $5. That bullish breakout is what needs to happen. Now, is that most likely at this moment? Unfortunately, I'll have to say it's too difficult to tell. Because like I said, I mean, if you look at this open interest, I would say yes. Because we just had a spike. Usually when the open interest gets back up to previous highs after dropping down from them, which happened right here. We dropped down from those highs and then got back up. Usually it goes higher. So usually the momentum in situations like these would increase. But then again, it looks like Bitcoin actually wants to fall down a little bit from here. Which would be bearish. I mean, Rndr is correlated to Bitcoin, not the most, but in general, if you look, in general it is. Especially in situations like this, when we have big fundamentals coming up. So that's not great. And then apart from that, technically, it does look like Rndr is trying to break out above that level. We hit significant resistance levels, and the price has not fallen that much. So if I would have to tell you what's most likely, I would say it's a bullish breakout. So I would say it's most likely that the momentum will continue to increase. Rndr will break above 4.17, and then as long as it's able to hold that as support, rally up higher to previous tops. So I think that's most likely, but if for some reason Rndr is not able to break above that level and it drops down below this level right here at 3.9, it's over. All right, I was wrong, and it's more likely will drop down. And this is very much a possibility. If the ETF gets rejected, we'll see this in a couple of seconds. All right. So those are my thoughts. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you want to know how and when I'm trading Rndr. That's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.